Discuss the answers of second chapter, that was Lake Isle of Innisfree. Children, I have explained this poem and it would have been clear to you all. So now we are moving to the question answers. So first question is, what desire is expressed by the persona in the first line? Answer: in the first line of the poem, the persona is assumed role of the character that represents the poet's thought. The character is the persona. Okay, bracket was there, bracket will be closed. Desires to go to the Lake Isle of Innisfree. Full stop. Okay, so here in the first line of the poem, the persona. So what is the persona? Persona किसे कहते हैं? Persona उस पर्सन को कहते हैं जो कि पोएट्स थॉट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ओके, इन दिस poem we have studied that the poet wanted to go to Lake Isle of Innisfree. Okay, poet वहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, but he was not there. But he assumed, okay, कि मैं वहाँ पे हूँ और अपने थॉट को उसने इस पोएम में रखा है. ओके, एंड दैट और he has said that the person who is there, मतलब वो अपने थॉट को इस पोएम में रखा है और उसको उसके थॉट को जो रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ओके, उसे हम लोग पर्सोना कहते हैं. ओके, मतलब उसके प्रेजेंस में वो प्रेजेंट नहीं है वहाँ पे, पर वो कैरेक्टर जो वहाँ प्रेजेंट है उसको वो उस पोएट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द आंसर. सेकेंड वन, ऑन रीचिंग Innisfree, व्हाट डज द पर्सोना प्लान टू डू? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Answer: on reaching Innisfree, persona plans to build a small cabin with clay and wattles. Okay, he will also grow beans near his room and he will get honey from honey hive. So what will the persona plan to do after reaching Innisfree? उसका क्या प्लानिंग है? तो he will go there and he will build a small cabin with clay and wattles, and he will also grow beans near his room and he will get honey from honey hive. Okay, so here you have to tell the desires of the personas in the line and live alone in the beloved glade. So what is the answer here? He says that the open space where he will build his room will be full of buzzing sound made up by the bees, and over there he will live all alone in peace and tranquility. This is the persona's desire in the above mentioned line. So here what will the personas do? He says that in the open space where he will build his room, जो open space है जहाँ पे वो अपना रूम बनाएगा, that will be full of buzzing sound made up by the bees. वो फुल होगा buzzing sound made up by the bees, and he will live all alone in peace and tranquility, and in that place he will live in peace and tranquility. Okay, now next question. Question number 4, how shall the persona have peace in Innisfree? Explain for peace comes dropping slow. तो here is the question कि persona जो है, how he will feel peace in Innisfree. Okay, explain for peace comes dropping slow. Explain how peace comes dropping slow. Okay, so answer is feeling of being at peace seeps in slowly and gradually as one sees the cloudy morning, which is followed by the pleasant songs of the cricket. The poet gains peace of mind. These vibrant sounds and scenes of nature brings a feeling of peacefulness experienced by the poet. So here answer is feeling of being at peace seeps in slowly. तो पीस जो होती है वो बहुत धीरे धीरे सीप्स करती है. सीप्स मीन्स बहुत धीरे, slowly it comes. Okay, peace comes very slowly. Okay, and it can be felt very slowly. Okay, as one sees the cloudy morning, which is followed by the pleasant songs of the cricket. मीन्स कैसे उसे शांति मिलेगी? तो वहाँ पे जब वो जाएगा क्लाउडी मॉर्निंग में, जब वो देखेगा and he will listen the pleasant songs of the cricket, the poet gains peace of mind. Okay, these vibrant sounds and scenes of nature bring a feeling of peacefulness experienced by the poets. Okay. Okay children, question number 5 is, how does the persona describe the various changes of the day that will soothe him? SOOTHE. तो वो कैसे डिस्क्राइब करता है? हाउ डज ही डिस्क्राइब द वेरियस चेंजेस ऑफ द डे? जो डेज का वेरियस चेंजेस जो हुआ था उसको हाउ ही हैज डिस्क्राइब? मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून एंड नाइट को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया था? सो हियर द आंसर इज द पर्सोना डिस्क्राइब्स Innisfree, a place full of the bounties of nature. Okay, here described the Innisfree, a place full of bounties of nature. The cloudy sky in the morning, the shimmering stars in the night sky, shimmering SHIMMERING. Okay. Shimmering stars in the night sky, the purplish glow of the afternoon. The purplish glow of the afternoon, PURPULISH. Purplish glow of the afternoon is sun and the linnet birds. Okay, this all beauty of nature will bring a feeling of peace and tranquility. So what will happen children? When he will see in the morning the cloudy sky, then that scene will bring him peace of mind. When he will see shimmering stars in the night, shining stars in the night, twinkling stars in the night, then that scene will bring him peace and purplish glow of the afternoon. और जो पर्पलिश ग्लो होता है आफ्टरनून का, जो सन्स का रेज होता है, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो ही विल फील पीस एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी एंड द सिंगिंग सॉन्ग ऑफ द लिनेट बर्ड्स. ओके, these all things will bring him peace and tranquility. Okay dear, so till here only today we will study, and I am going to stop this video now. So what you will do dear, you will write these all answers in your copies. Okay, I think you all would have got your copy now. So सबसे पहले आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन ये चैप्टर का वर्ड मीनिंग्स लिखेंगे. Okay, you will write the word meanings, and after that write neatly. Okay, write neatly and tidily. Okay, very nicely you mention the date, class, ये chapter name, chapter number. Okay, and write the question answers neatly, and learn also. Okay, learn it And till here only we are stopping, and next question we will do in next all questions we will do in next video. Okay, till then stay at home and be safe. Okay, thank you.